Hello guys, my name is Lalita Jangid and welcome back to my channel English with Mom and Daughter. I'm very excited for today's topic and today's topic Hindu month of Sawan. So let's start the topic. The Hindu month of Sawan and cloudy weather and sunrise and pure air blowing. Beautiful morning. Yes. Birds flying. Sawan, Hindu month of Sawan. This is very famous, and I can say in India and yeah, Bollywood also. In many songs are related, and yeah, in cloth and bangles, I can say. So that's why it's really important and Sawan for in rainy season. So Lord Shiva worship and goddess Parvati as well. So that's why this is month is very important and yeah, full of rainy season. That's why also and bhajan also very famous and finally today Hindu month of Sawan start. So today's Guru Purnima. You can say Guru Purnima very famous in yeah, all for actually Guru Purnima is a religious festival for dedicated to offering all gurus respect and all spiritual and academic gurus. So that's why this is very important and yeah, Guru Purnima another name I can say Vyas Purnima. So uh, Ved Vyas. So Mahabharata is written by Ved Vyas, actually written by Lord Ganesha and speaking by, so telling by Ved Vyas. So this is really very famous and Mahabharata also and Guru Purnima another name I can say Vyas Purnima. So that's why this is really important and actually for Sawan all of 4 Monday is very famous and so I think all devotee will observe a fast for Lord Shiva and Lord Shiva worshipped all throughout the month of Sawan. So that's why this is important and all devotee will offer bear leaf and chakri and yeah, milk and water also. So that's why in rainy season in Sawan month actually women wear Lahariya sari, that's type of and my collection of Lahariya sari. Another Lahariya, the type of print called Lahariya. Green color lakh bangles. This is really very famous in Jaipur and that type of sari. Actually, I can say Lahariya sari very famous in Jaipur. So yes. Actually, Sawan half of the month we are celebrate uh, Tej festival as well. So actually this is very famous in North India I can say and actually monsoon season and the bond between Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. So this is yes this is yes famous in Jaipur Tej festival. In Tej festival, women are dressed up in traditionally cloth and applying henna and swing on decorated swing. So that's why this is. And I think three type of Tej festival: Hariyali Tej and Kajri Teej and Hartalika Teej. So that's why. And all are for women's special, for married women and unmarried also. So we are end of the Sawan month. We are celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So and the celebrate between love and duty between brother and sister. So that's why this is really important. Sister tying a decorative thread, brother's wrist, and the symbolize of love and protection. And brothers give gift gift and a promise for protect their sister. So that's why this is important. And the strong bond and affection between siblings. So that's why month of Sawan, devotee bring covered different holy places. So that's why this is important. And actually my paternal home also from holy places, Lohagarh. So that's why I know very well about the coward. So that's why Sawan month is really important for all devotee and for God, Lord Shiva and Parvati as well. So thank you watching my video and see you. Bye bye.